Hello guys, and welcome back to this new video. So in today's video, this will be a continuation of the video I did on the 14th of September. So basically I was bullish on Bitcoin at 10.5, 10.4k whatever, and I'm still bullish until let me go more in detail. We have the chart here, the same fib that was in the video. We actually have the other fib taking the whole movement, but let's just focus on just this fib. Okay, so we have touched the 78. We didn't actually went down to retest the 200 EMA, but the important thing is that a couple of days ago we did close above the 21 EMA. Okay, the green line is the 21, the red one is the 200. So basically we have closed above it, and that's a bullish sign. We actually went down and retested the 200, and now we are still above it. So actually let me go over to the 4-hour chart. Okay, I've drawn this kind of pattern, okay, right here. So right now we are at a resistance level. Okay, a break of this trend line would put 11.1 and 11.2 as possible targets. Okay, but we could also break it, go to 11.1, 11.2 and retest the trend line and then moving higher. But let me go back to the daily chart. So right now, yeah, the 11.2 is the next target according to the fib, the next level where we could get rejected from. So on the inverted chart right here, I always say this, try to change your perspective. Like, this is a normal chart, okay, right now. Okay, if you flip it, basically on a 4-hour time frame, I could see that this trend line, okay, right here is keeping the price from moving to the downside. So this time it's of course to the upside. I could see a retest to the 200 and the 21 EMA. They are actually crossing. That's a bullish sign, and then closing above this level and going for the 11.2k. That, look at this, coincides to this weak region and hold these price movements region right now, right there. So basically, yeah, I'm pretty bullish on BTC. Still, I'm bullish. So right now I just want the price to hold above the 200 and maybe go for a retest. Maybe we'll see the retest or not. It depends. We'll see, we'll wait and see. I just want to focus on a daily time frame right now. On a daily time frame, if you switch over the 200 with a 9 EMA, actually a 9. Alright, so we are actually forming a bullish cross on the EMAs, and these I mean, when you're forming a bullish cross, usually you see right now, as an example, we did retest the EMA. So a retest on the 11.8, 11.9 could be a thing, okay, before moving higher. But again, we are still in a critical zone. We could get rejected in this region. If BTC price can move above the 11.2, 11.3, 11.4k, then 12k is the next target. And as I've said in the previous videos, the next short to medium term targets would be 13 and 14k. Okay, so right now I think that's all for the BTC analysis. Let's go over to the BTC dominance, and let's discuss also what's happening with altcoins. So basically, as I've said and sent this chart on Telegram, this is the BTC dominance on a daily time frame. It seems we're getting rejected here on the trend line, but again, this level of the 221 and 9 EMA, let me actually put the 200 again, is holding the dominance. So I don't want to see actually here a bounce of dominance, but again, if BTC a scenario plays out, the dominance will rise, and I think the dominance will probably break this channel and retest somewhere in this region, and probably could, if it gets above this region, touch the 200 EMA. Again, this is a cycle that when BTC starts pumping, altcoin get crushed, and that's pretty normal. That's absolutely fine. Sooner or later this needs to happen. It's better than sooner than later, of course, guys. And of course, BTC and alts lags behind BTC price action. Okay, Okay, we have exceptions, but right now when BTC starts pumping, dominance starts rising, the alts gets crushed. Okay, that's normal, that's nothing new, but again, this is something that happens. And again, if you go over to the total and total 2, this is the market cap of everything, BTC plus alt. This is just the market cap of the altcoins. Okay, just have a look when this thing is in the red. Okay, this means alts are getting sold and money are moving from alts to BTC, hence why the dominance is rising. Lastly is the BTC dominance monthly chart. Okay, so again, we are on a crucial level on regarding to the dominance, because I've actually made a video a month ago about this bearish cross on the RSI, on the MACD, and yeah, it did happen. The cross on the MACD happened, it ticked bearish, and again, I think of course it is a monthly chart, so it will take time for things to play out, but I think dominance with time could break the 60 percentage mark and go over in this region, so from the 57, 58 till the 51, 52%. If you go over to the 4 hour, no, actually it's a daily, if we do get rejected, okay, here, and the channel does not break, of course we could go over to the 57.8, 57.9, 58%, and of course you will have another altcoin pump, but again, for now alts are kinda chilling because the dominance got rejected, but we need to see what will happen here. Okay, we will bounce, we will break to the downside, and of course if this scenario does not play on the BTC chart, is if we lose the 21 EMA. So if we lose 10.793, we could go down more and re-enter in this region right here, and maybe go for a retest on the 200. Always remember, we still have a gap where the basically 200 EMA is. So we could do a movement like this. I'm not for that movement, I'm more bullish. I think a close above the 21 is bullish. We just need to maintain that support level and don't break it, basically. So the video is over now. I'm simply updating the Telegram members. By the way, it's free, link down below, on the FET trade. So basically we are sitting at support level right now. If you take the fib of the whole movement, we are sitting on a strong support level. Okay, so right now I'm expecting some kind of new announcement and partnership from the Fetch team. They already told that there will be some, but in due time. They cannot just post announcement on announcements. Okay, so I cannot get it. They have deadlines, they have contracts, they cannot disclose stuff like that. So basically I'm focusing on the FET USDT chart and the FET BTC chart. We are currently sitting at support level on the 200 EMA here. A break below would be pretty bad. The 200 EMA is at as you can see here 616 Satoshi, and I want a daily closure above that level. So right now, what could happen? So the thing I want to see here, yeah, is a bounce either now or a retest on the 200 EMA. That would be around 0.061. So one thing that would put me bullish, I'm still bullish, don't get me wrong, of that, is a break above 83 cents, 0.083, and that would be hella bullish. If you look at the FET BTC chart, 768 Satoshi, and that's basically it. So I think that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it, and as always, if you did, smash the like button, share the video, and join the Telegram, link in the description. It's free. See you in the next one. Bye.